Quick question. Do you use the Autodesk Seat Usage Reporting tool? If not, you may be paying for licenses no one opens. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to find an unused BIM Collaborate Pro seat and free it up. Starting on the product page, 17 seats are currently assigned with 0 free. Start by clicking on the Reporting tab and then drill down into the seat usage metric. On the right hand side, toggle the date range as required. In this example, I'll focus in on the last 3 months, which is long enough to reveal patterns, but also recent enough to act on. From there, switch to the By Product tab. Here, BIM Collaborate Pro shows 25 unique users over the quarter, yet only 16 this month, so one seat is clearly idle. Jump to By User. Apply the BIM Collaborate Pro filter jump into the user's details. A flat usage line confirms that they haven't launched the tool in the selected window, so their license can be relinquished. And that's how the Autodesk reporting tool can save you money.